Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. And I am Nisa Ayu Kaini with student ID is 211301156 from class 5C. In this presentation, I will explain the probability of Robert choosing a red candy from a bag without looking. This topic is derived from the PISA's PDF on Mathematics Unit 14, Color Candies. Okay, next slide is questions 14.1. Robert's mother lets him pick one candy from a bag. He can see the candies. The number of candies of each color in the bag is shown in the following graph. What is the probability that Robert will pick a red candy? A is 10%, B 20%, C 25%, or D 50%. Okay, next slide. To solve this problem, I will employ four steps in problem solving, which are number one, understand the problems. We need to identify what is known, what is unknown, and what is being asked in the problems. And number two, devise a plan. At this stage, we need to choose a suitable strategy to solve the problems. Number three, carry out the plans. Subsequently, we simply follow the careful strategy and write down the solutions clearly and neatly. And number four, look back and check. Afterwards, we check whether our solution is correct and makes sense. Okay, next slide. Let's start with the first step, understanding the problems. The problem is to determine the probability of Robert choosing a red candy from the bags without looking. The bags contain candies of different colors, and their quantities are shown in a bar graph. Here is a bar graph representing the number of candies for each color. From this graph, we can see that 3 are 6 red candies, 5 orange candies, 3 yellow candies, 3 green candies, 2 blue candies, 4 pink candies, 2 purple candies, and 5 brown candies. The total number of candies is 30. Okay, next slide. The second step is to devise a plan. We need to calculate the total number of candies and then determine how many of them are red. The probability will be calculated by dividing the number of red candies by the total number of candies. The formula is P reds equals number of red candies divided by total number of candies. The reason I choose these plans is because these plans align with the definition of probability, which is the ratio of the number of desired outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. In this problem, the desired outcome is the number of red candies, and the possible outcome is the total number of candies. This plan is easily accessible using the available data from the bar graph. We only need to calculate the number of candies for each color, sum them up to get the total number of candies, and then divide the number of red candies by the total candies to determine the probability. Okay, next slide. The third step is to carry out the plans. We already know that the number of red candies is 6 and the total number of candies is 30. So we just need to plug these values into the formula. P reds equals number of red candies divided by total number of candies equals 6 divided by 30 equals 1 divided by 5 equals 20%. So the correct answer is B, 20%. Okay, next slide. The fourth step is to look back and check. We have found that the probability of robots choosing a red candy from the bags without looking is 1 divided by 5 or 20%. This means that option B is correct. We can verify our answer by calculating the probability for other colors and ensuring that the total is 1 or 100%. For example, the probability of choosing an orange candy is 1 divided by 6 or 16,67%. The probability for a yellow candy is 10%. The probability for a green candy is 10%. The probability for a blue candy is 6,67%. The probability for a pink candy is 13,33%. The probability for a purple candy is 6,67%, and the probability for a bronze candy is 16,67%. If we sum up all the probabilities for each color, we will get a value of 1 or 100%. This indicates that our answer is correct and consistent. Okay. This is how I applied various 4 steps in problem solving to solve these questions. I hope you all follow my explanation and understand the concept of probability. Thank you for your attention and see you all.